Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to configure a Cisco ASA-5506, configure the interface, and then we're going to configure DHCP as well on that interface so my lab devices can be on a separate network. So let's look at our objectives here. The first thing we want to do is configure gigabit 1/4 with the IP address 172.31.20.1. We're going to enable the interface, then we're going to configure DHCP server for that interface, then we're going to test the DHCP server on my lab device. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to configurations on your firewall. You're going to go to interfaces, select the interface. So we selected 1/4, select edit. Let's set up a name. Lab, set a security level. We're going to put 100. We're going to enable that interface. Let's put our IP address. Let's put description. Alright, so let's just verify everything. Description, lab network, IP address 172.31.20.1, which is what we have here, /24, interface is enable, name is lab. Alright, let's click OK, click OK again. You need to make sure you click apply, where the changes can actually take. Alright, so now that we have the interface set up, you can see it's enable, security level 100. We have our IP address. So now what you want to do is go to device management, and we're going to go and set up DHCP. So what you want to do is select DHCP server, select your lab interface that you just created, hit edit. Now we want to enable DHCP server, and let's put a range that we want the DHCP server to distribute out. So 172.31.20. I'm gonna do from 10 to .30. Alright, now DNS server, we can just do our gateway, and for the second DNS server we can put Google, and we want the lease to last just 24 hours, so we're gonna do, let's see, 86400. In the domain name, we can just put Coles.Lab. Okay, so pretty much that's all you need to enable that interface for DHCP and for it to hand out IP addresses. So let's click OK and apply. Don't forget to click apply. You should be good to go. So if you're looking at the topology, this is a device I'm going to go physically plug into gigabit 1/4, and we should get an IP address of 172.31.20.10. So let me go get that device plugged in. Alright guys, so now we are on this lab device, so let's just verify that we got an IP address. So we're going to type in IP config. Alright, so we can see right here that we did get an IP address, .10, and our gateway is .1. So that shows us that we're connected. So let's just verify we can actually get out to the internet. So let's clear the screen. Okay, we can get out to the internet. Let's verify a couple more sites. Okay, we can ping out to the internet as well. One more site. Alright guys, so that shows that we can actually ping out the internet. The next thing I'm going to show you is how we can verify that, well, we know that the device has an IP address. I'm going to show you the actual DHCP server inside of the firewall. So let's jump into that part. Alright guys, we have verified that that device can get out to the internet. Let me show you one more thing, and that is the DHCP server table in the firewall. So if you go to monitoring, go to DHCP, and go to DHCP server table, we're going to scroll down, and we can see that that IP address is in the DHCP server table. So that's how you configure DHCP server on a ASA firewall, and how you also configure the interface. Thanks for watching. See you next time.